How to reroll for better hunters in solo leveling Arise. First of all, start a new account in the game and complete the tutorial until you reach the point where you are assigned your initial hunters. During this stage, you will receive your first set of characters or reward. Check the stats and rarity of the hunters you received. If you are not satisfied with the initial hunters, you can reset your progress or create a new account to start a tutorial again. Repeat this process until you get higher tier or preferred hunters, which will give you a stronger start and make early missions easier. Once you finally get the hunters you want, make sure to link your account via Google, Apple ID or email. This will save your progress securely so you don't lose your carefully rerolled team. Rerolling at the beginning is the most effective method to get top tier hunters, build a stronger team, and make your solo leveling Arise experience much more efficient. Now you know how to reroll for better hunters in solo leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.